let's take a few moments to review the progress we've made on our liquid syllabi so far. So looking at the screen here, we have our navigation bar across the top here. And we have home, course essentials, goals, grading, policies, and resources. You may have added another page or you may not be using all of these. That's okay. So we're going to click on course essentials and take a glance. We have our course description, textbook and required materials. Just a note, I am setting mine up here for my E-major course, so everything is referencing GoView instead of ASU material, but it's still the same premise. We have my goals, and here's our learning outcomes here on our goals page. Grading, this was my grading practice for this specific course with the different assignments, how the grade breaks down, and I did my chart in Excel and did a tiered pie using the donut feature. You can reach out to me if you would like to know more about doing that. Let's see, policies. Again, these I've moved my teaching philosophy. The template has it on the home page, but I moved it over here to the policies page. And then I have the basic E-major policies here. The template has some of the ASU policies already on it that you might work with. And then resources, I left my role, tweaked it for me, put in my Bitmoji, modified the office hours to fit my material, and then gave them E-major resources. The template again has ASU resources in it that you can tweak and use. So we're looking pretty good. Let's move on to the next section.